Hello everybody, SA Apps Info here. Hope you are well. Today I'll show you how to change your Facebook name on your account. So let's start. First of all, update your Facebook app from your Play Store or App Store, and then go to your Facebook, and there is your newsfeed. Then click on the three dot menu and scroll down, and here you can see an option that setting. Click on that, and then choose to the first option, which is personal and account information. Click on that, and then your desired option is here, which is name. Click on that, and you can see I have already changed my Facebook name on last 60 days, so that's why I can change, but you can change which I will show. Click on the learn more and scroll down, and you can see option that fill out this form. Click on that, and then you can put your first name, middle name, last name, and then scroll down and choose your change region. Click on the legal name change, and choose a document that can be your identity or your passport or your something like that, and then put your email address, Facebook email address, and then click to the send option. After some minutes, Facebook will change your username or Facebook name. So that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative tips and tricks. Bye.